Hi, this video is intended to talk about your cross-examination. Now, one thing that is a little different than being in a live class is our ability to be able to meet up with one another and have one-on-one debates. So as a result, with it being summer and difficulty in schedule with an online class, not being able to actually meet up with each other, I decided that this argument and debate format would allow you to actually learn how to look at an argument from varying perspectives. Remembering that if there's not varying perspectives and different opinions and beliefs on the issue, then it wouldn't be an argument that needs to take place anyway. So, looking at the example that I gave during our value argument, talking about zoos are ethical places. So if you were to take on this particular topic, I've got where you can see it a little bit better here. If you were to take on this particular topic and you were to think about your cross-examination, so if your argument was zoos are ethical places, as a cross-examination, you are going to be taking on the perspective that zoos are unethical places. And so as a result of that, you are going to be attacking the argument from the perspective that you believe now that zoos are unethical places. And so on D2L, I have given you an example where I recap the argument that was originally made, and then I take that and I break down what a cross-examination would sound like. Now, there's been a couple of questions. For this next round of presentation, you will not be submitting an outline. I'm going to repeat that. You will not be submitting an outline. The outline is for you to utilize during your cross-examination presentation. So if you were to think about being live in a debate class, when your opponent got up and delivered their argument, you would have 2 to 3 minutes to jot down your ideas, and then you would immediately get up and deliver this content. So in this class, you've got a little bit longer, but we're only grading the presentation component. As always, if you look on D2L, you'll see that I am offering a help session leading into this assignment. So if you would like to meet with me one-on-one, and talk in terms of this is my cross-examination content and have me take a look at it before you record, I'm happy to do so and to offer you some constructive feedback. If you feel as though you are confident with the material, you would put together your content and then go ahead and record yourself. So again, on D2L, under the cross-examination content, you have that example, and then you also have a blank template. So the template will allow you to take kind of look at the content that I've put together, the example, and then you can go straight in on this document and type your content in, which closely resembles the format that was being followed in the example. So again, understanding multiple perspectives is extremely important. In the end, for you to have a true understanding and a true belief that you can thoroughly defend, you really have to know where other people are coming from and what perspectives they have. And you have to also know why they believe that your argument is flawed. And so this is what's going to help you out so you become better at defending yourself. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. If not, I'm looking forward to listening to your cross-examinations of the arguments.